What a beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool toys to build and customize your very own train set. Ready to roll out? We are! What a beautiful day on your very own Island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. I, Thomas, promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Good job! That was amazing! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Super! Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the track. Great! Super! That was super cool! Time to pick a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Right, the rolling bridge is just there. I love that. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. That's the way. That was off the rails! Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Excellent! We all love your train set. Time to pick a new toy. Let's go find that toy. Where to now? Left leads to the haunted castle. Right leads to the town square station. Left leads to the haunted castle. This adventure box contains a unique engine, 9 toys to put. The tunnel is nearby. Left leads to the tunnel is nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. That's perfect! Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. That's the way! That was off the rails! Which toy will you choose now? It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. I love that! Great! Just slice or tap it to open. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the Great Waterton Station. The Great Waterton Station's coming up.